Hi students, today I am going to start a new topic of physics of your standard 10, that is electricity. In physics it is chapter 3, but in your NCERT book it is chapter number 12, as NCERT book is the mix of physics, chemistry and biology. Now come to electricity. Okay, so electricity is the most essential part in our day-to-day life. So many instruments we are using in our day-to-day life which is related to this electricity. You can see the use of fan, light, the bulb, television, computer, also your mobile phone. It also need energy, charge directly from the electricity. So many instruments we are using, or you can say appliances we are using, in which directly electricity is needed in the forms of current. Okay, so before coming to the chapter or before coming to the analysis, first we should discuss about electric charge. What is electric charge? Okay, and what are the properties of charge? So charge, it is a physical quantity. First remember, it is a physical quantity. Okay, and by excess or deficiency of electron, by excess or deficiency of electrons, we can define charge. Okay, suppose one body is present. Within the body, how many electrons are present? Okay, suppose here 8 electrons are present. So if the question will be asked to you, it is electron deficiency or it is the excess of electron. Suppose you are answering that it is excess of electron, so we can say it is negatively charged. Okay, if it is deficiency of electron, then it is not negatively charged. Like this we define the charge. You can say the charge is also intrinsic property. Intrinsic property. Intrinsic property means it is the basic, or you can say fundamental property. Fundamental property. Okay, fundamental property means in all metals or conductors you will find the charge. Therefore it is known as fundamental property or intrinsic property. The word intrinsic means basic or fundamental. Okay, fundamental means if you will break that element, then finally you will get the charge. In standard 9 also we have discussed. Okay, the smallest particle of any element is known as atom, and the atom is further divided into electrons, protons and neutrons. Okay, these are known as the subatomic particles. Electron is negatively charged particle, proton is positively charged particle, and neutron is neutral in nature. Suppose any atom is there, in the central part it is known as nucleus. Inside the nucleus, proton and neutrons are present, and around the nucleus electron revolve in a particular orbit. Okay, in the Bohr's model we have discussed this part. So these are the charges. So how many types of charges we are using? We have two types of charges. Number one, positive charge. Number two, negative charge. Okay, so one most important thing, remember, similar charges repel each other. Similar charges repel each other. Okay, suppose both the charges are negative and negative, between the similar charges you will get repulsion, just like in the magnet. Suppose it is also north pole, another magnet north pole is coming to each other, then between the north pole and north pole what you will find? Repulsion. Like this, if negative charge is coming closer to another negative charge, then between the two charges you will find the same thing, repulsion. Then come to dissimilar charge. Dissimilar charges attract each other. Okay, suppose one positive charge and another one is negative charge, then between them you will find attraction, no repulsion. Just like in case of magnet, if north pole and south pole is coming to each other, coming closer to each other, then they will attract to each other. There will be no repulsion between north pole and south pole. Okay, now what is the unit of SI unit of charge? SI unit of charge is coulomb. It is as per the scientist. Coulomb discovered this one, therefore it is denoted as coulomb, SI unit. Okay, then what is the charge value of a single electron? A charge of single electron is minus 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 19 coulomb. Then the charge of proton is also same, but it is positive, 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 19 coulomb. Okay, this is the charge of an electron, this is the charge of proton. Okay, in the next video we will discuss about electric current.